how to add funds to Bullx Neo. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now for us to get this done, the first thing that we're going to do is head over to wallet. Now there are actually two ways in order for us to add funds to our Solana wallet, and that is what we're going to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap the add funds button right here, and you should be able to see the QR code. So you can go ahead and have the QR code scanned, and then you should be able to receive funds to this Solana of yours. Additionally, you can also go ahead and just copy this. For example, this is going to be your code or your wallet address. Now I'm going to show you how to use that one. You can head over to a wallet. So in this case, say for example, Phantom wallet. I'm just going to enter the password real quick, and then I'm going to tap unlock. What that does is that you're going to see something like this. So you can go ahead and have them click the send button, use Solana, and then you're going to go ahead and have them enter the Solana address here. So what you are going to do is just basically ask them to type the amount here. You can have them like maximum or enter maximum as well, if that is okay for them, and then click the next button here, and you should be able to receive that certain amount of Solana. And that, everybody, is how you are going to add funds to Bullx Neo.